68. If the concentration of OH doubles in a reaction with bromopropane, then what happens to the reaction rate? Well, what kind of reaction is this? I have a strong nucleophile, or strong base, and bromopropane would look like this, where I had bromine at the end, and it would be at carbon 1, because this doesn't indicate that, doesn't tell me the location, so I can assume that it had to be at carbon 1. Propane, again, was 3 carbons. Next, I'm using a strong nucleophile. What type of reaction is this? Well, this is a primary substrate with a strong nucleophile. That's an SN2 reaction. An SN2 reaction does have a rate that depends on the concentration of the nucleophile. Remember, our rate looks like this, where we have our substrate and our concentration of our nucleophile. So if we're doubling the concentration of our nucleophile, we're also going to double the rate. They are proportional to each other. So if it said, if we triple the concentration of our nucleophile, we triple the rate. If we chopped this in half, then we're also cutting the rate in half, and so on. Our answer is B. 69. Which of the following structures is a vinyl chloride? Let's go back to what this means. Remember our classification of alkyl halides? A vinyl halide means that the halogen is directly connected to the double bond. That's what we're looking for. So let's go back to our question. I'm going to automatically rule this out because this is not directly connected to a double bond. So no, same thing here. This is out. This is actually benzylic. And what about, let's look at A. Let's draw that out. There's 2 carbons and a chlorine at the end. I have a CH2 here. There's only 2 hydrogens and only 1 hydrogen here. To do that, I must have a double bond. And look at that. That's our vinyl chloride. A is our answer. If you were to draw out B, it would look like this, where we now have 3 carbons. The double bond is at the very end, so that actually is allylic. It is not vinyl.